Good day, viewers! Today we're tackling a rather controversial topic, the potential dangers of eating shrimp. Now, shrimp is a beloved staple in many of our diets, finding its way into our salads, pastas, and stir-fries. Its versatility, along with its delectable taste, has made it a popular choice among seafood lovers across the globe. But what if this culinary delight is hiding some health risks beneath its tasty exterior? In this video, we'll be presenting some research and facts that suggest that our favorite crustacean might not be as harmless as we think. We'll be discussing how certain methods of shrimp production and preparation could potentially lead to serious health issues, including cancer and dementia. But don't worry, we won't leave you high and dry. We'll also be exploring safer alternatives and preparation methods to ensure you can still enjoy shrimp without compromising your health. So, without further ado, let's dive into the deep sea of knowledge and uncover the hidden dangers of these popular crustaceans. First off, we need to understand what makes shrimp potentially harmful. Imagine a typical shrimp, a seemingly innocent and delicious sea creature. However, lurking beneath its appealing exterior are a few aspects that could potentially pose a risk to our health. Let's delve into these one by one. Firstly, shrimp is known for its high cholesterol content. A single serving of shrimp can contain more than half of the recommended daily intake of cholesterol. While cholesterol isn't inherently bad, excessive amounts can lead to heart disease and other cardiovascular issues. Secondly, shrimp might not always come from the cleanest waters. Depending on where they're harvested, shrimp can be exposed to pollutants and harmful bacteria. Industrial pollution, wastewater runoff, and even oil spills can contaminate the waters where shrimp live, and these toxins can end up in the shrimp we eat. This can lead to foodborne illnesses and other health complications. Beyond these, there's also the risk of allergens. Shellfish, including shrimp, are among the most common food allergens. An allergic reaction to shrimp can range from mild symptoms like itching and hives to severe and potentially life-threatening reactions like anaphylaxis. Lastly, we should consider the potential environmental impact of shrimp farming. The production of farmed shrimp often involves deforestation and destruction of mangroves, which are crucial to our planet's health. These practices also lead to water pollution and loss of biodiversity. So, the shrimp on your plate might carry a heavier environmental footprint than you'd expect. It's important to note that these risks don't necessarily mean that you should completely avoid eating shrimp. But having awareness of these potential issues is the first step towards making informed dietary decisions. Now that we've identified the risks, let's delve into the research backing these claims. Science has a lot to say about our beloved shrimp. It seems that this popular seafood might not be as innocent as it appears on our plates. Let's delve into the research that has been done on this topic. Firstly, a study published in the Journal of Food Chemistry discovered that shrimp can accumulate harmful substances from their environment. This includes heavy metals such as mercury, lead, and cadmium. These heavy metals, when ingested in large amounts, can lead to serious health issues like kidney damage, neurological disorders, and even cancer. Another research conducted by the Marine Pollution Bulletin found that shrimp can also be a source of microplastics, tiny particles of plastic less than 5 millimeters in length. These microplastics can accumulate in the human body over time, leading to potential health risks. On a different note, a study from the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease discovered that consuming shrimp could increase the risk of developing dementia. The culprit is a compound called beta-N-methylamino-L-alanine, or BMAA, which is found in shrimp and other types of seafood. BMAA is a neurotoxin that can cause brain changes similar to those seen in Alzheimer's disease. Moreover, the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition reported that shrimp is high in cholesterol. While moderate consumption might not be a problem for some, those with high cholesterol levels or heart disease might want to think twice before indulging in this seafood. Lastly, a study in the Journal of Allergy and Clinical Immunology found that shrimp is one of the most common triggers of food allergies. Symptoms can range from mild reactions like hives to severe ones like anaphylaxis, a life-threatening allergic reaction. So we can see that there's a significant body of research showing potential health risks from consuming shrimp. These findings are not to scare you away from enjoying your favorite seafood dish, but to make you more aware of what you're putting into your body. It's clear that the research paints a worrying picture. But what does this mean for our diets? We've seen the research, but what does it mean for us? Well, let's delve into how these findings can impact our dietary choices. The data we've discussed doesn't necessarily mean we need to eliminate shrimp from our diet entirely. It's all about understanding the risks and making informed decisions. We know that eating shrimp can pose potential health risks due to the presence of harmful substances like harmful bacteria, pesticides, and other toxins. But these risks can be mitigated. How, you ask? 2 words: moderation and sourcing. Let's start with moderation. Like many things in life, balance is key. Consuming shrimp in small, controlled amounts can reduce the risk of ingesting harmful substances. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. Overconsumption of any food, even those deemed healthy, can lead to health problems. So it's crucial to keep our shrimp intake in check. Now, let's talk about sourcing. Where we get our shrimp from can make a world of difference. Shrimp from clean, well-regulated environments are less likely to contain harmful substances. Look for certifications and labels that assure the shrimp are responsibly sourced. For example, shrimp certified as organic or wild-caught are generally safer choices. But it's important to note that these labels aren't foolproof. Even shrimp from seemingly clean sources can contain harmful substances due to pollution and other environmental factors. So, it's always a good idea to do a little research on the source of your shrimp before making a purchase. And don't forget to cook your shrimp properly. Proper cooking can kill many harmful bacteria and reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses. So what's the takeaway here? It's not about completely avoiding shrimp, but rather about being mindful of how much we're eating and where it's coming from. In the end, it's about making informed decisions. Knowledge is power, after all. Armed with this information, we can make smarter choices about our diet and overall health. It's not all doom and gloom, though. There are ways to enjoy shrimp safely. Yes, there are risks, but there are also ways to safely enjoy shrimp. For those of you who adore this tasty crustacean, it's not all doom and gloom. There are indeed strategies for safe shrimp consumption. Let's delve into them now. First and foremost, where you buy your shrimp from matters immensely. Reliable sources are key. Opt for vendors that maintain high standards of hygiene and quality control. These might be reputable supermarkets, trusted local fishmongers, or certified online seafood retailers. When purchasing, look for shrimp that's firm, clean, and has a light, fresh scent. Shrimp with an overly fishy or ammonia-like smell is a red flag. Next up, cooking. The heat from cooking is effective in killing most bacteria that might be present in shrimp. This is why it's crucial to cook your shrimp thoroughly. Overcooking shrimp can make it rubbery, but undercooking it poses a risk to your health. The general rule of thumb is to cook shrimp until it turns a pearly white color with tinges of pink and red. If you've got a food thermometer handy, the internal temperature of the shrimp should reach 120 degrees Fahrenheit. Lastly, let's talk about moderation. Like with any other food, balance is key. Shrimp is a fantastic source of protein and contains a wealth of nutrients like iodine, zinc, and vitamin B12. However, it's high in cholesterol, so it's best enjoyed in moderation. Nutritionists generally recommend consuming shrimp once or twice a week, paired with a variety of other foods to maintain a balanced diet. So there you have it. Buying from reliable sources, cooking thoroughly, and eating in moderation are the 3 pillars of safe shrimp consumption. And remember, you don't have to completely eliminate shrimp from your diet. It's all about being informed and making smart choices. With the right knowledge and precaution, you can still enjoy shrimp without putting your health at risk. So there we have it, the hidden dangers of shrimp and how to navigate them. We've learned that while shrimp can be a delightful part of our meals, it's crucial to be aware of the risks involved, particularly related to certain health concerns such as cancer and dementia. We've delved into the research, which highlights the potential dangers of shrimp consumption and how it can impact our diets. Yet, we've also explored how to consume shrimp safely, sourcing them from reputable suppliers, ensuring they're well cooked, and incorporating them into a balanced diet. Remember, it's not about completely eliminating shrimp from our plates, but rather about making informed dietary choices. As we wrap up, let's not forget the power of knowledge in our culinary journeys. It's not just about enjoying our food, but also understanding what we're putting into our bodies. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. Remember, your health is in your hands. Make wise choices and stay safe.